Become a Visitors Coverage affiliate. My name is Ricardo Pimenta, and in this video, I'll show you how to start earning commissions promoting travel insurance online. If you want to start right now, use the verified and safe registration link in the description and pinned comment. That link takes you directly to the sign-up page. Visitors Coverage is a popular travel insurance platform where travelers can compare and buy insurance plans for international trips, medical coverage, and travel protection. The easiest way to become a Visitors Coverage affiliate is through the Travel Payouts Affiliate Network. Again, if you want to create your account, use the verified and safe link in the description and pinned comment to register. You can also learn more about travel affiliate platforms on my website, plataformadiaffiliadues.com, where I explain how these affiliate programs work. After creating your account on Travel Payouts, log into your dashboard and search for the Visitors Coverage Affiliate Program. Apply to the program, and once approved, you'll receive your affiliate links to promote travel insurance plans. Every time someone purchases insurance through your affiliate link, you can earn a commission. If you want to start promoting travel insurance and earning commissions online, click the verified and safe registration link in the description and pinned comment and create your affiliate account.